Welcome to the eP2P application user tutorial guide. In this tutorial, users will be guided on how to fill out the time-off form. First, navigate to the eForm section and click on the time-off form. On the first page, users need to fill in the required information. For personal time off, users are limited to a total number of hours and a maximum number of applications. An error message will appear if the applied time off exceeds the limit. However, there is no limit for official time off. After finishing filling out the form, click on Next. Users will be directed to the preview page where users must make sure that all the information entered is correct before submitting the form. Once done, click Submit. A notification will appear, indicating that the application has been successfully submitted. The request will then be forwarded to user superior for a recommendation. Thank you for watching.